Hi guys, just topped up the screen wash in the car. So I've got this rather nice 5 litre plastic container. I thought I'd see if I could make a rubber band powered car out of it. I have it in mind to cut it at an angle so we have a wedge shaped car. It's got some lines round it from the moulding, which I can use as a guide. I doubt whether the camera will pick it up, but there is a nice line along there. Oh, there's not one at the top end. Well, that's a shame. In fact, the more I think about it, I think, oh yeah, something sort of a cross like that. That's what I've got in mind. You'll see where I'm going in a minute when I've worked it out for myself. Right, that's going to be my axle holes. Right. Could do with one more pair of hands. This is the way up it will be. Back axle hole, front axle hole, and then all of this bit will just cut away. I shall heat up a knife and melt it, which will be smelly and fumes. So I'll get on and do that. You don't need to watch me do that. I'll have the door open. Heat up an old kitchen knife that I've got, that you can see I use for this sort of thing quite a lot. I mean, you could cut round it with a knife. That wouldn't be so many fumes. But I'll do it this way. So that's my body shell. My favourite tool, nail on a stick. I will melt the axle holes out, or through, or whatever way you want to call it. Then we'll put some axles on there and some wheels and attach a rubber band. I might put a hole just there to attach the rubber band to. Melted the holes through with my nail on a stick. Little bit of a delay there because I had to wait for the paint to dry. Not very impressed with that paint, didn't go on very well. But we do have a yellow wedge-shaped car with black wheels on this side. One of the black wheels had broken in the past, so it's replaced with that one that I sprayed with the same yellow paint, and it's gone really blotchy. Never mind. Put a smiley face on the front for the camera. Attach rubber band, made a hole there, attach rubber band there. Round the back axle, over the top of it. Hold it in place so that when you wind it round, it goes over itself. And that will hold it in place while you wind it up. And then away we go. So that works. We'll put the camera at this end, see if we can hit it. I don't think that counts.